I'm going to be teaching you how to make bread spring rolls. It's a very easy recipe and it requires minimal ingredients. If you're new here, this is Yuji's Kitchen and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Please hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. So for the ingredients, we're needing breadcrumbs, eggs, vegetable oil, onions, minced chicken, shredded carrots, cabbage, salt, pepper and stock cubes. So we're going to start by pouring in our oil. Add your onions, and fry it for some minutes. Add in your cabbage, add your carrots, stir to combine. Now you have to ensure you are cooking this on low heat so the veggies won't overcook. Now add in your seasoning and your pepper. Stir properly to combine. Lastly, add in your minced chicken. Please note that the chicken I'm using is boiled already. So if you're using any protein of your choice, just ensure you boil it before mincing it in a blender. What I like about this recipe is that it's easy to make and you just need few ingredients. So I'm just going to stir this for a few minutes and our filling is ready. So for the bread wrap, we're going to take out our sliced bread and cut out the edges. Make sure you cut it out nicely. So please don't discard the edges. You can use the edges to make breadcrumbs. If you want to make breadcrumbs, just toast the bread in a dry fry pan and blend it in a blender and your breadcrumbs is ready. Next, I'm going to use a rolling pin to flatten the bread. So this is what your bread should look like. I'm just going to do others like that. So our bread wrap is ready and we're just going to add in the filling now. So we're going to be needing water to seal the edges. So we're going to roll this up nicely. I'll use water to seal the edges. Just touch the water and like smear it on the bread. just press it a little. So we're going to see the edge neatly and press it so it will seal properly. So this is what we have. So I'm going to dip this in the egg. I'm using just one egg. And I'm going to coat it with breadcrumbs. The reason for this is for the bread to have a kind of crispy texture on the outside. The eggs help the breadcrumbs to stick to the bread. So our bread spring rolls is ready, and this is what your bread spring rolls should look like. So I'm going to drop a tiny bread into the oil to see if it's ready. You can say that our oil is ready. It's important for you to know if your oil is ready so the bread won't suck oil. So our oil is ready now. So I'm going to put in our bread spring rolls one after the other. So we're going to fry this till it's brown. You just need to fry this for 1 or 2 minutes. Don't fry it for more than 2 minutes. 2 minutes is fine, so it won't burn. So I'm just going to turn this to the other side. It's the look for me, like it looks so yummy. I like the fact that it's crispy on the outside and moist and soft on the inside. Trust me guys, this is a snack you love. You can have it with tea or any drink of your choice. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button. I would also love to hear from you guys in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next week. Thanks for watching.